today's video of Mabit Travels, we have left the shores of the Amazon rainforest and we are now on our way back to Manaus, the capital city of the Amazon state. We have few stops along the way that is worth checking. Have you seen lotus leaves this big? Actually, this is just a remaining smaller version since the peak season is now over. It is usually much more bigger than this and can accommodate a person. We also checked out a few of Arapaima fish pens. The only Arapaima fish I've seen so far is contained in an aquarium. This is a whole lot different.
Wow! Let's impede the piranha.
Okay, so who wants can try it now? I just have.
Huli! Di ka dito! Jun! Nandun pa rin po siya sa shopping area.
As we are nearing the city, we came across the famous Meeting of the Waters. The brown water, which is the nutrient-rich water of the Amazon River. The dark water is from Rio Negro River. They initially meet and run side by side for a few miles until they converge completely.
What can you say, Jules? Amazing.
I highly recommend Clipper Premium Cruise if you're contemplating visiting the Amazon. The services they offer are top-notch, from the food they serve to the cleanliness of the vessel.
Berto!
A memory I will always treasure for a lifetime.
Comfort food? Yes. Comfort.
Upon reaching dry land, Jules and I prayed for burger and fries.
Finally. Aeroporto.
No pagano, seu nome? Mari?
Mary. On our way to Foz do Iguaçu. So we're taking the 2 a.m. flight going to Sao Paulo. And then from Sao Paulo, we take another flight going to Iguaçu Falls. See you there.
Amazon, you are truly amazing. Our Brazil adventure is far from over. Our next stop, Foz do Iguaçu. Here we are going to see the famous Iguaçu Falls. After almost 8 hours of traveling, we have arrived in Foz do Iguaçu, close to lunchtime. After checking in, we have been wanting to try the famous Brazilian picanha steak, which definitely is a must-try.
Sigula? Sure. It's hot. Thank you.
Good thing there is a restaurant nearby that serves this dish, and it did not disappoint at all.
What can you say, Jules? Good. Sarap. We're having picanha steak with this side dish. Siyempre, rice, ubus na. This is, ano to yuca? Parang something, beans and salsa. Some fries. It was so good that we finished the whole thing. Parang walang binigay sa atin, no? Nasa na yung steak? Where's the picanha steak? It's all gone. It's all gone. Jules!
Another must-try here is to try Brazilian churrascaria, a limited steak of all kinds. However, they are already closed for the night. Good thing we have another day here and we'll try again tomorrow. We have a full day of activities the next day and we'll be visiting one of the must-visit places in Foz do Iguaçu, Parque das Aves, in English, Bird Park. We'll have an up-close encounter with my favorite bird, the toucan, and macaws of varied colors that I haven't seen before. It is truly educational, all family can enjoy. If you've enjoyed my video so far, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
So we saw several toucans here in Parques des Aves. It was so up close and personal. Not like what we saw in Amazon, but in Amazon, oh my gosh, we saw them in their real habitat. But here, we saw them up close and personal. Right, Jules? Very nice. Love it. Love you, toucan.
Until next time, bye!